Hey guys, it's Andrew from Midshire TV, and today we'll be reviewing the Plantronics B825 Bluetooth headset. So you're working in the office or working at home and you have the perfect working setup. It's efficient, it's productive, but you're missing that one key element, which is a headset that can do both, providing perfect audio and allow you to sound crystal clear when you're in a meeting or talking to your colleagues. The headset that we highly recommend and actually use in our own offices is the Plantronics Voyager Focus B825 Bluetooth headset. When you talk about a product being an all-in-one, this is that product. So to start off with, there are a few things that we can look at. It provides great sound and has noise cancel technology, so external conversations won't affect your listening experience anymore. It can connect to your devices and applications with ease. It has a smart control of mute. You can enjoy music in stereo with automatic controls. And you can completely customize the settings to make it yours with a Plantronics Hub app. So, let's look at the headset. So this is the box it comes in. Pretty standard. Inside, you'll find the actual headset. As you can tell, it has a pretty sleek design. It has an attached microphone, adjustable volume controls on the sides, and also stereo controls on the side as well. It also comes with a USB Bluetooth adapter. And also you'll find a charging dock station, which you'll need to plug the dock station and the Bluetooth USB adapter into your computer. And alongside that, you'll get some manuals, which no one ever reads. And you'll get a nice sleeve for the headset if you want to put it away. The headset pouch is of a good size, so with ease you can pack away the headset without having any issues, and it will have a nice fit. So when it comes to setting up the device, it's pretty straightforward. Plug the Bluetooth USB adapter into your computer, and also the docking station. Then let the software install and you're good to go. You can then install the Plantronics Hub app, which you'll find on poly.com. You'll also find a link for that in the description. Once that's installed, you can then customize your Plantronics headset to however you choose. Now, let's get to the juicy parts, the specs of the headset. It has a talk time of up to 12 hours and a listening time up to 15 hours. It has active noise cancelling and smart sensor technology. It has a roaming range of up to 98 feet, which is about 30 meters with adaptive power. It weighs only 155 grams. It performs the wireless frequency of Bluetooth 4.0. It provides wideband voice and hi-fi stereo. It also has SoundGuard Digital, which protects your ears against any sound levels above 118 dBA and provides anti-startle during calls and eliminates any large sudden increase in signal level. And it prevents the average daily noise exposure from exceeding 86 dBA. And it comes with a 2-year global warranty. So there you have it. A nice all-round headset which provides you with a quality experience that you will enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a like and also subscribe if you're new around here. And also, if you did like what you see or you want to see more, please check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Thank you for watching, guys, and just remember, we are the business communication experts.